How to log in Tinder account. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Tinder application on your device. Once you do that, you will be available with this interface. So in this section, you can see there are three options for logging in. You can either log in with Google, Facebook, or with your phone. If you have got any trouble in logging in, then you can go for trouble logging in option, where you will be provided another way to log in. So you can choose any of this option over here. Here I am choosing Google. If you have chosen Google, then you need to select your Gmail account with which you want to log into your Tinder account. In this section, you need to enter your phone number for your confirmation, and you can go for continue. After that, you'll receive a code on your phone number. You just have to wait, and when you get that, you can enter it over here and you can go for continue. So after that, if you want to allow your location, then you can go for allow, and you can select whether you want to allow your location while using the app or only this time, or you can also deny. And after a few seconds, you can see my account has been logged in. So this is how you log in Tinder account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.